Hello everyone, let's look at the steps to enable all the new features and changes that are part of the August 2025 security update for Windows 11 version 24H2. It is important to note that Microsoft is going to officially be rolling out this update on August 12th, usually after 1 p.m. Eastern Time. If you want to know more about this update, check the video description to find the link to the video that walks you through all the new features and changes coming in August 2025. Okay, first you need to open the Settings app, and then you need to go to Windows Update. Then make sure that this option is turned on, and then just click the Check for Updates button. Now, since the August 2025 update is already available as an optional update through the stable channel, you don't need any type of workarounds in order to get it. Once it is installed, you can confirm that the update is available on your computer by opening the Windows Update page and then going to the Update History page. And then on this page, you have to make sure that the package KB5063878 is installed on your computer. Now, when Microsoft officially releases the update on August 12, 2025, the KB number might be the same or slightly different. It is important to note that when Microsoft releases new features through cumulative updates, it doesn't mean that after installing the update, you're going to get them immediately. It usually marks the start of the slow rollout of the features. Also, some of the changes might require specific hardware, and some others might be limited to specific regions. Although it might not always be the case, it is important to check for app updates. And to do that, just go to Start, look for the Microsoft Store, and then just go to the Downloads page, click the Check for Updates button, and let the system get all the required updates. Now, if for some reason you didn't receive all the features available for a specific update, you can use the Vibe tool to force enable the features and changes on your computer. And to do that, you need to go to this GitHub page and just download the latest version of the tool. Just make sure that you download the one that is specific for your computer. Then save this to your computer, and then we just need to extract the files. Copy the path to the clipboard, open Command Prompt or the terminal, and run it as an administrator. Then we're going to use the CD command. We're going to right-click to paste the path. If you have any spaces on the path, you have to use quotation marks. And then you want to run the Byte tool command. We're going to use the switch enable, and then we're going to use this code, 57048216, and press enter. And now restart the computer. And that should enable all the features and changes expected to arrive with the August 2025 security update. And that's it. Leave your comments, like the video, share it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that yet. And I just hope this video was informative for you, and I would like to thank you for viewing.